Hello everyone, Coin Collector here, and today I'm going to be doing the Shoutout challenge that SilverLimey initially created, and Ancient Numismatics, it got passed on to him, and then he shouted me out. So today I am going to be shouting out the channel Pot of Jam. Many of you know him, he's always in the chat. He participates in the community regularly, he does lots of videos on his silver stack, other coins that he finds interesting, his giveaway wins. So I'm going to leave a link to the rules and the video that SilverLimey has created in the description for this chat, and hopefully in the I button in the top right hand corner of your screen. Make sure to go check him out. He is currently on 305 subscribers, so he's doing pretty well. I think his aim is to try and get by 500 by the end of next year, so he's doing quite well actually. Yeah, as I said, so he participates regularly. Check him out, lots of good content, lots of silver, and make sure to check out SilverLimey's original video, and that's all I've got for today. Thank you for watching.